my god, you guys can never see me. Hey guys, what is up? So currently you can't see me. I'm too lazy to turn on my flash, but I am at Starbucks. I'm waiting for Lexi to come. She's meeting me here and we are going to be chilling because I have to export Vlogmas Day 2. Well, technically upload. It's already been exported. I was able to find the hard drive, like my external hard drive cord, which I was talking about in the video you guys are about to see, and I was freaking out because I couldn't find it. But yes, I was able to get Vlogmas Day 1 up hella late, so now I have Vlogmas Day 2 that I need to get up. I want to get up a little bit earlier and film some content for Vlogmas Day 3. Today has just been such a day, but I'm hungry. I'm gonna go into Starbucks. I think I'm gonna get a protein box, like the cheese and cracker box, because that sounds so good. And I'm trying to be a healthier person because literally right across the street is a Taco Bell, and Cinnabons sound amazing. Okay, so that's what's happening. Realistically, you guys can't see me. You're literally just hearing my voice because I'm freaking dark. But I am gonna go in and get this table and place the order and kind of just go from there. I don't know if I want to bring in my purse or not. That's just so much I have to carry, but like I've already committed at this point. Okay, I'm gonna go in. The Starbucks is probably gonna be crowded. All right, let's just fucking do it. All right, guys, what is up? It is significantly later. I'm at the grocery store right now. Let me just say, I'm positive Wisconsin has the slowest Wi-Fi. I was at Starbucks for 3 hours. Video's just now finished uploading and it still needs to process. So that's where we're at. But I'm hungry and my mom got takeout. So I'm heading to the grocery store to try and find something to eat. It's so cold. I'm tired. I'm but yeah, it's Vlogmas Day 3. I gotta film, doing adult things. So when I go home, I'm gonna cook. And yeah, I want salmon. And I know we have salmon at the house, but I don't know if I want to cook it. Problems. Okay, let's see what they got. Okay, so ignore the weird blue lines. I don't know why this camera does this. I think it has to do with the lights itself. But look at how freaking cute the Christmas decorations are my mom put up over the fireplace. So here's the full look. So she has a 5 out of 6. You need to get one for Mike. Since he's new to the family, so he needs to get a stocking for Mike, but she has 5 out of 6 of us. So mine's is the furry white one, then Aaliyah's, my dad's, Kyra's, my mom's, and then she has these really cute little reindeer things that I don't know where she found this at, but they have these candles which smell really, really good. That one's a fake candle. And then this white fur carpet. And my mom was a thrifting queen, so she got a lot of this thrifted. But look at this. So pretty. And then she has the little glass Noel signs, and they hold the stockings. That's so pretty. And then she has these little candle holders that has a whole bunch of ornaments in it and stuff. And she put the fairy lights or the Christmas lights throughout this mirror. And then she has this tree and a little birdie for our Gurgans. And I'm so obsessed with how she decorated this. And then here are the stockings. So this one is man, and she's gonna stuff them this year. And I love a good stuffing. I love free stuff. Anyway, rolling on. So here's mine's up close, and then A because Aaliyah, S because my dad's first name starts with an S, and then my sister's, my mom's, and that's just so freaking cute. what I'm making is like teriyaki salmon. And then, oh my god, this is hot, and I just put my butt to it. I think we have the dishwasher on. Yes, we do. Teriyaki salmon. And I'm gonna season it with some lemon pepper, some Cajun seasoning, just a little bit, some dried dill weed. Usually we use fresh, but I don't think we have any right now. This is a salmon. I got like a half a fillet, so I'm going to have some for dinner tonight and then some for lunch tomorrow. Then the teriyaki, this is the roasted garlic one. This is so good for like salmon, like fish, or with chicken. I used it on that and it's super, super good. So I'm gonna have this, and I'm gonna put the fish on there, season it, add that on, pop it in the oven, and then I'm going to make me some green beans real quick and some rice. And I know it's like 9 o'clock. Kayla, why are you eating rice? Because Abyss is hungry, and I haven't actually eaten real food. Like, I had something at Starbucks, but like I need real food. And I'm probably gonna be up for a while because I want to get Vlogmas Day 3 edited so that it can be uploaded in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this done, and then I will follow up with you guys. Yeah, once it's situated. So let's do a little cooking montage. All right, guys, so it looks a little messy. Presentation not the best. I started eating it already. But this is what the salmon looks like, and it's so good. So again, I just added the teriyaki sauce like as a glaze, and then some lemon pepper, dill, Cajun seasoning, super fire, some sauteed green beans and rice. Mama's about to max, okay? Yes, I'm gonna eat this. I'm so excited to eat this. Literally my mouth is like salivating. Oh yeah, that's so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat this. I'll see you guys in a bit.